Hi fashion lovers, in our today's class we'll be learning how we got this from this. I'm Omazino Fashion, and all we'll be needing for our today's project is hard surface, fabric with design detail, power supply, soldering iron, which you can get from anywhere electrical appliances is being sold, and a soldering iron stand or a mug. This is what I'm using because I don't have a soldering iron stand. First, you have to plug your soldering iron into power supply, which I done already. Wait for it to get hot and then take it right round your patch. Please, when doing this, be careful for it not to touch any part of your skin because it's very hot and it could leave a scar on your body. And also do this on hard surface, maybe like wood, glass tile, but never do this on a fabric, foam. Okay, I'm done. So I have to put it inside the mug. This is where the mug comes in for safety. Wow, this is what I got. You can attach this on your dress, your shoe, your bag, but in my next video I'll be showing you how to attach this to a fabric. If you find today's video helpful, I would like you to subscribe, like and share my video, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.